Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It is the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. It's free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. So thank you. Also, what I do suggest is there is a bell that is beside that subscription button, and all you have to do is press it, and then YouTube will send you one email telling you that I just uploaded a new video. The reason that's a great idea is I do a lot of videos, and sometimes there's some deals that I come across, and I try to get them up as quick as possible to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to find the deal that I just found. So if you hit that bell, you will get an email, just one, that will tell you that I just uploaded. So this way, you'll always have something fun waiting for you in the inbox for you to see and watch when you get the opportunity to, okay? All right, today what I'm doing is what I call my IPSY customization bag that I customize myself. On the second of every day on IPSY, we are shown what's going to be in our bags and boxes. I get all three, so if you haven't watched, those videos should already be up by now. And there were so many options that I kind of wanted that were at the $3 range, which is my comfort zone, that I'm able to put a 5-piece bag together that is $15 of the choices that I chose for me based on the choices that IPSY gave to me. And so I want to share with you guys today those choices of the 5 add-ons that I put into my IPSY Plus this month. Okay, so what I did was I put it into a little bag for myself, and this way it's all together, and when I was ready to film this, I would have it all here to show you guys. I haven't opened anything, I haven't swatched anything. I wanted to share that with you guys as if I was unboxing a customized bag that I made based on those options with you guys. So the first item that blew me away that it was in the $3 area was a full-size brush. It's from the brand called Vanity, V-A-S-A-N-T-I. That's what it looks like here. And the only thing is, when you get add-ons, they don't give you a little brochure to tell you anything more about the products, but they didn't give me any in the Ultimate, and they didn't give me anything in my Plus. So I made sure to bring my computer in front of the screen today. So if you see me looking down, it's to give you guys the information that made me decide to purchase this. So this was a concealer brush. It's an under eye setting brush. I had one of these, I think, a while back. I have it in my travel bag, and I seem to use this for a lot of little things. I like to use it to underset, to use it for what it's called, for the powder that goes underneath the concealer. It is really, really soft, but it is more of a full brush. So it's really great to get into areas that sometimes they're harder to reach, and I really, really have been enjoying this. This is also great to use if you need to over blend to, if your eyeshadow is too deep. This, I find, is a great, great type of brush to help brush out any harsh lines or any too much pigment in one area. So that's what I've been using this for. So I wanted to get a second one, but I didn't want to pay full price. So when I saw this was available as a $3 option, I grabbed it and put it in my basket. So this one says it is to help the under eye concealer wear longer by using this brush to buff out for a smooth airbrush-like finish. It's just the right size and shape to apply highlighter to the tops of your cheekbones. Haven't tried it for that yet, but that's a great idea. And it says, we love this sleek gray handle. It looks chic in our brush jar. It's just lightweight and comfortable to hold. It is lightweight, and it says the bristles are 100% synthetic, and they're saying that everything by this brand is vegan and cruelty-free as well. So was really happy with the quality. It washed well, it did everything. So when this became an option for $3, I absolutely grabbed it. Okay, the next item that was in here is a brand that I absolutely adore. And I just wrote to one of my followers on Instagram as well, as she's part of the YouTube subscribers as well. So I just wrote to her about this company, and I mentioned that I used, see if I have it out here, I think Yeah, I do. Okay, it's empty. It's completely empty. I'm literally pulling the last little bits of it, and I just wrote to her about it a couple days ago probably. It's from this brand called Pharmacy. And when I said I got this fantastic treatment, this serum, this overnight serum, I couldn't stop talking highly enough about it. She said, which pharmacy, which drugstore, CVS? And I had to write her back, and I sent her, the @Pharmacy Beauty so that she would be able to have a direct link to them. But they are called Pharmacy, but it's spelt with an F. And I have been so impressed with this brand, and I literally overnight saw results with this, and literally with all the products that I get and I test, this one, I said I'm going to be loyal to it, and I was, and it was absolutely phenomenal. And this is probably going to be a repurchase, even though I get so much stuff, but that was absolutely amazing. So when I saw that there was an option for 2 masks from the same brand, this Pharmacy brand, I grabbed them. And like I said, $3.50 for this brand was for 2 was a no-brainer for me. So one is a hydrating coconut gel sheet, and the other one is a brightening coconut. I have used these before, so when I saw them available for $3 and this brand, I grabbed it. So let me just go in the computer and read to you what they wrote about it, but from personal experience, highly recommend. Okay, so they're saying both masks in this set are formulated with intense hydrating coconut water. The hydrating mask is packed with hyaluronic acid, cucumber extract for a dose of intense moisture. It says the brightening mask is infused with a purple broccoli extract to help brighten, firm, and lift. And the no ill-fitting mask here. These masks hug the curves of your face without sagging, and I agree with that. So really happy with these. Like I said, the Pharmacy brand, absolutely love. Can't talk enough about that serum, and it's called Honeymoon Glow. And if it ever becomes an option, it's definitely a try me, because I was blown away. Okay, the next item that is in here was this item that is from the company called L.o.c.k. It's saying it's L.o.c.k color, it's saying it's good boundary, and I got it in the shade medium buff. They had other options like light, and I don't know if there was a darker one than medium buff, but I definitely did see a light one. And oh, my battery's running low. Okay, I'm gonna read quickly, and then we're not going to be able to know what's the stuff on the other ones. I'm sorry. It says, when we met this foundation, so many of our worries melted away. No longer will we have to touch up midday. It stays put, and it's also will be full coverage. It's a foundation and a BB cream in one. It will deliver benefits to your skin when you wear it. It's also made with the hyaluronic acid. This moisture, gone. Okay. Battery just died. Okay, so here we have this one here, and it was through another person on Instagram, and she also now is on my YouTube channel, who mentioned that this was her pick for her customization. So when she did that, and I saw that it was a $3 option also, I decided I'm gonna give this a go as well. So it's always hard to buy like BB creams or foundations, but I absolutely love BB creams. And this one feels like it's going to be a good one. So that's what that one is here. My favorite BB cream that I use, and I have been using for multiple years, is from Tarte. If you watch my foundation videos and stuff like that, Tarte, their BB cream, I got it off of QVC years ago, and that has been a standard repurchase for me for many years. So that is fantastic. So what I do is I put the BB cream on, I put my IT cosmetic powder over it, and it's fantastic. So, and it always has like great benefits to it, so I was really happy about that. The next item in here is from this company, ULTA, and it's called Call Me. This was another one that a lot of the girls were talking about, so when I saw it as an option, I decided to give it a whirl. This is supposed to, and I stayed away from it when I initially saw it, and then when I had the option to get it for the $3, I said, you know what, I'm gonna try, because a lot of the girls were saying that it was lightweight, and it was more like a, oh yeah, see, that's why. It's so hard to see colors on screen, but hopefully this camera picks it up for you. So look how dark it is in the tube, and I just did like 3 or 4. So it's more like a balm than it is a lipstick. So I think that will be just perfect. So another win, $3. And then the last item, I love bronzers and blush. So when I saw this blush, and it was a brand that I wasn't familiar with, I wanted to, for $3, to be able to give it a shot so that if it did come as an option in the future, I would know how the product worked and what it looked like. So this is, the name of the brand is Dome. I don't know if you guys can catch that. It's D-O-M-E. That's what it looks like there. And it is in a, it came in a retail box, which, as you know, when things are $3 and it comes in a retail box, I get giddy. I can't believe. So this is here. So it looks like that perfect, like in between a peach and a mauvey rose. It's really lightweight. Let's see. Nope, the color comes there. There we go. So it's really lightweight. So I think this will be perfect when, you know, you have your dark lips on or your dark eyes, whichever you choose. You always want to have a bit of blush on, but you don't want it to be overpowering. And I think that will be absolutely perfect. So let me just see if it's buildable. I'll put a little bit more on my finger and go on top and see. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, that's perfect. That's for me. So I think I did good on my customization. So like I said, I did the five $3 choices to give myself my own bag. And what I got for myself was I got a BB cream, which I will use, a fantastic balmy lipstick with a bit of color, which I think is just beautiful. I got a perfect blush. I got my Pharmacy beautiful hydrating and coconut masks. And didn't I get one more thing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, and my brush, my beautiful concealer brush. So once again, the brush, the BB cream, the balm, the blush, and my 2 masks. So I think I did good. That was $15, and that's why I love IPSY. So always what I tell you guys, if you are not getting any makeup subscription boxes, but you want to dip your feet in, the best deal is the $12 IPSY bag, where you get sample sizes like this that are not really sample sizes. Some of them are full sizes, and I mean, this blush to me is definitely not sample size. So you get those options all for $12. You get to customize one of them, and it brings you into the IPSY family. So all the other options of doing reviews for free products, as well as their shopper, which always has these fantastic deals, you have available to you solely because you are part of the IPSY family, and you can do that for $12. So to me, that's always what I recommend if you want to start getting subscription boxes, and that's how I started, and I absolutely love it. So once again, thanks for finding me, thanks for tuning in, and I really hope that you choose to subscribe to the channel. I love receiving comments from you guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you don't want to leave a comment, but at least I knew you were here. And don't forget to subscribe. It's so important for me on the YouTube platform, and it's free and it's simple, and it's that red button. As soon as you press it, it turns gray and you're in. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Once again, thanks for finding me, and see you soon. Bye.